I'm Eric Bowling. Be 61 years old here in about a week. I'd like to talk a little bit about what I think is an obligation that those of us that have CMT, whether it's 1A or 2, whatever type you have, and this is coming from a recent seminar that was hosted by HNF around getting the patients educated around the FDA process, the pharma process, but everything about the disease, but also even more importantly, again, the takeaway that I had was the sense of community.
Okay, Eric, you can walk back and forth. And you could really hear your foot hard slapping the ground.
Right. And that's, some trying to hold it up. So.
That's okay.
Yeah. I guess the grapevine is probably faster than the internet, so the connection you have with people like you going through the same things and the education and things that you should be doing for yourself, and as importantly, maybe more importantly, the loved ones that support you. So had a chance to meet with Mitch. We did some online with some support from my wife is how I got connected through Helios and the group. At the CMT conference in San Diego for clinical trials, I had a chance to meet Mitch, go through an evaluation assessment, followed up with that with some online communication, did my 2-day out here in Vegas as far as getting fitted, the assessment, and from that, get a real good fit and make sure when I did get the carbon fiber mold, which I'm wearing today and leaving here with today, that it was the right fit. So the time and energy and effort that you put into it, if you get a chance to work with Helios, and the time energy that Mitch and the staff does is critically important. Don't try to short any of that time. It's critically important. Spent the last couple hours today getting fitted, demonstrating my ability to walk, go up and down stairs, change direction, improvement of balance. I would say a couple things. First and foremost, my ability, one of the biggest drains on me, just by wearing ankle AFOs, was always having to bend my knees and my lack of balance. Now with the new Helios GX braces, the balance is great. I can lift my eyes up and not have to worry about my drop foot issues as much. I can clear gait my heel strikes as opposed to hitting flat-footed. Fatigue, just in the little bit that I've worn them today, my fitting, significantly less. So what I can encourage you to do is get educated, learn about what the opportunities are, learn about the differences that Helios brings and what Mitch brings to the table as opposed to off the shelf, which I had before, which failed miserably for me based on fit and my expectations of them. I'm a big sponsor. I'll endorse them. I'm anxious to continue my journey with Helios and see where they take me. So thanks.
Well, thank you, Eric, and we're going to follow up with you, and we wish you continued success.
Awesome.
All right.